everyone. Techvyom is a national level technical fest, a celebration of innovation where minds collide, ideas flourish and boundaries are pushed. Organized by SHRI SMARAK College of Engineering and Technology, Bareilly. It offers all the students to show their talents in a bigger platform. Like various events are like Robo War, drone race, technical quiz, app craft, treasure hunt, Avisharak, Pharma Scout, business quiz, business plan, tech gallery, PLC designing, card race and route the queue. Being a Techvyom in charge, I, Arvind Misra, Assistant Professor of Department of Computer Application, request you all to participate with full spirit.
So hello everyone, myself Dr. Pradeep Kumar Yadav. I'm Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, SRMS SMARAK College of Engineering and Technology, Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. Our college is going to organize a national level technical fest, that is Techvyom, on 11th of May 2024. So this is not just an event, it is a spirit of celebration of creativity, the innovation as well as the technical skills of our students. Our department as well as the other departments are also organizing some activities where you can participate as well as enjoy the activities.